In a few videos, I talk about quilting. So basically, quilting is where you take smaller pieces and you put them together to make a bigger piece of fabric that in most cases, you can turn around and you can have a quilt that's awesome that you can use, you can snuggle up with. But when I'm referencing quilting in a lot of our projects, what I'm referencing is taking your scrap pieces and putting them together to make a bigger piece of fabric made from your scraps that you can then use in your projects. And this is how I do it. I have a bunch of scrap pieces that I really like, and I think they would look really cool together, and then make a bigger piece of fabric that I can work with to then, make a special Christmas tree or whatever else. If you quilt together pieces, you can use them in your projects as long as you get a big enough piece to do the project you want to make. So when you're doing quilting, lay out your fabric roughly how you like it. There's no perfect way to do this, but just know that, this is where you're starting. And I got these pieces here. So then what you do is you take pretty side and you start one piece at a time. This is where quilting takes a little bit of time because you're going to start with two pieces and then you're going to keep working your way up. But know that like these two pieces, I can sew those together. I'm going to sew these little pieces together, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to sew these pieces together. So let me sew these together and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've quilted these pieces together. What you want to do is flip it over so that you have the wrong side up. Open up this seam and fold it flat. It just gives a better finish when you're done sewing. Flip it back over, okay, and we're going to do the same thing. Now, if you notice, this piece is not as long, so I want to add this piece over here to get it to the same length. To get the best finish, these are the pieces I need to sew together before I attach these pieces. So I'm going to go sew this and then come back. So now I've sewn this piece on, so when I open it up, same thing, flip it over, open, smush down. Again, if you have an iron, use an iron. It will just hold it down a little bit better, but you don't have to. And now, see, now it's more even. And now you don't have to try and figure out how to get this piece in here and get this attached here. It's taking your time and figuring out what piece you need to do in order to get the pieces to lay together. And now I'm going to do this, keeping this open, and I'm going to go sew along this line. So now these pieces are together, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to flip it over, open it up, and smooth this seam down. Again, if you're using an iron, these will stay flat once you iron them. But again, you don't have to. I'm going to flip this back over, and I want to do one more. I want this along this line down here. So I can cut this piece right here, just using a rotary cutter, but you don't have to. Initially, you could trim that up afterwards. I'm just getting it out of the way for now. And now I'm going to go sew this line and come back and show you. Okay, I put the final piece on. So again, open it, flip it over, open it up, smush down your seam, flip it back over, and now I have a piece of fabric that I can take and I can use it in the Christmas tree project or any of the other projects. I can keep going and keep adding fabric. I mean, it's unlimited. Just know that plan it out so that you ensure that you get the overlap that you want, and you can just keep building and playing and planning. But that's when I reference quilting, this is what I mean, is putting together these type of pieces that you have left over from other projects, and know that you can use these types of quilted pieces that you put together in any of your projects. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you do quilt together your own pieces of fabric to make a bigger piece to work with, make sure you show us. It's always a lot of fun to see what people come up with, the creative colors that they combine, and then make into ultimately other projects. I hope you had so much fun and enjoy using up all your scraps.